Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a full face of first impressions for you guys. I'm going to be testing out a bunch of new makeup products that I got in my makeup collection. I don't know if they're necessarily new or not, but they're new to me because I've never tried them before. So if you guys are interested in watching me play with some new products and share my honest thoughts, and if you want to see how I created this beautiful, glowy, bronzy, soft glam makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I want to start off by priming my face, and I'll be going in with an OG primer. This is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Next up, I want to add some hydration to my face, and I'll be using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I'm absolutely in love with this stuff. I've been using this. This is actually my second bottle that I've purchased. I love using this for my skincare routine and also for my base when it comes to makeup. It really just feels amazing and adds a nice glow and radiance to the face. I do want to mention that I have a little bit of gloss on the lips. I did have the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Maximum Plump Gloss. I'll apply just a little bit more, and this is basically going to hydrate my lips and plump them a bit to get them ready for makeup, for lipstick, gloss, whatever it is I go in with. So I love this stuff. I did have it on. I forgot to mention it in the beginning, so I'm also using this product. Alright, next up I want to color correct, and I don't have a new one. I'll be using something that I already had in my makeup collection and I've been loving. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Color Corrector in the shade Medium 2. Basically like to apply this product wherever I have darkness or hyperpigmentation on the face. So that's really just like under the eyes, around my mouth, and on any acne scarring that I have. Next up, I'll be putting on my foundation. I do not have a new one to try today, so I'll just be jumping into an OG, a classic, my all-time favorite foundation. I literally used it for every single one of my wedding events. This foundation does not disappoint, you guys, and that is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm in the shade Light Beige. I love, 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 and adore this foundation so much. Next up, I want to prime my lids and get them ready for eyeshadow. So I'll be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer to prime them, and I'll be setting them in place with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Alright, so we're finally jumping in to some new products that I'll be testing out today in this video. So first up, I have the Sophia and Mabelle highlighter. This is a satin powder highlighter in the shade Peach Sangria. Now you're probably wondering, why is she jumping into highlight? She hasn't even done like anything to the face. Highlight is usually one of the last steps. Well, the reason is because I feel like this highlight shade is too dark for my complexion. I don't think it's gonna work. So I was thinking of using this as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to pack this onto my eyes and then maybe smoke it out with a little bit of bronzer, and we'll see how it looks. So I took the product on my Morphe M166 flat brush. This is a pretty big flat brush, so it's good. It'll cover a lot of the eyes. And I'm just going to start packing that on, and this is looking beautiful. Alright, so I have the highlight on my lids, and I think this looks beautiful. It looks so elegant. I love it. Perfect for soft glam. Now I do want to kind of clean up the edges and soften out the look so it doesn't look so harsh on the lids. So I'll be going in with the bronzer that I'll be using today. This is the Hanalei matte bronzer. I have used this once in the past in one of my recent videos, so I thought I would bring this back and, you know, test it out in a different way, which is on the eyes. So yeah, I really loved it on the face, so I'll be using it again today. So we're gonna test it out once more today on the eyes. I have the bronzer on a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M441, and I'm just going to dust this onto my crease and also on the outer portion of the eyes. And this is just going to help tie the eyes together. I do want to go back in with the highlight and just kind of place that back onto the lids, just to bring the pop back. And I'm just using my finger, and honestly it works really well with your finger as well. I do have a couple of more eye products that I want to use that are new to wrap up the eyes, but before I jump into those, I do want to kind of go back and revisit the base. I want to conceal my face, and I'll be using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer to do so. And to set everything in place, I'm going back into the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Using my face brush, I'm going to wipe away the setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. And I'm just gonna drag the powder down onto my cheeks and just like the rest of my face to also set those areas in as well, because I'll be going in with powder, blush, contour, and highlight. I want to make sure that my foundation is set with some sort of a powder or else it's going to go on patchy, and you don't want that. Alright, next up I'm going to move on to eyeliner, and I'm super excited about this. I have the Realher Metallic Eyeliner Duo. So this is basically pencil liner, and it's metallic liner. I haven't used pencil liner in so long, but I'm really excited to try this. So I did get this in a boxy charm, so this is new to me. I don't know if it's new, a new release, probably not. So there's two metallic eyeliners in here. There's like a gorgeous teal blue and then like a bronze as well. Probably will go in with the bronze just to match the makeup look today, but these are stunning. I'll definitely go in and swatch them for you guys on my hand so you can see. Look how stunning this looks, you guys. I'm super excited to actually test them out. The blue one is calling my name, but I know it's not going to match today's look. I will put it down. We're not going to use it, but I really want to. Alright, you guys, eyeliner is done, and I'm actually really liking how it looks. I would say it almost looks like I did kind of a smoked out eyeshadow eyeliner. That is the vibe that I'm getting. I will say the quality is really good. It's very pigmented. Obviously it's hard to tell when you have the highlight as a base, so everything is kind of meshing together, but it is very pigmented. It glided on the eyes very effortlessly. It's creamy, so I really liked it. The only downside I will say is with a pencil liner, it's hard to create a wing. Something that you can do, and something that I could have done, and something that I'll do in the future, is to place tape on my eyes. So that'll make it a lot easier for me to get that sharp wing. Obviously that's a lot easier with liquid liner because you have the felt tip to kind of help you out, but with a pencil it's a lot harder to create a wing. So in the future I would definitely use tape, but I think I did a pretty good job, and I'm loving how the eyes are looking and how it's matching my outfit. So let's move on to the next product. Next up, I have a mascara. This is new to me and my makeup collection. I've actually had this for quite a while and never had the chance to try it. I got this in a boxy charm, I want to say few months ago, maybe a little longer, I don't know, but I just never touched it. This is by the brand Pur, and this is a mascara. It's called Fully Charged. It's a mascara powered by magnetic technology. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's vegan and it's gluten-free. So wow, I'm really excited to give this a try. I don't think I've tried any Pur products. Maybe I have, but I definitely didn't try their mascara before. So I'm excited to give this a shot. So this is what the wand looks like, and this is in the shade Black. Right off the bat, just after 1 to 2 coats, I am noticing that there is a lot of length coming from this product. Keep in mind, I do have very short, fine lashes, so you're not going to see a huge kind of impact on my eyes, but I know my lashes and I can already tell that this is giving me great length. I will say it's taking a moment for volume to appear, but I'm gonna keep on applying and we'll see how it goes. One thing I'm noticing is this mascara is borderline a little bit messy and clumpy. Like as I'm applying this product, I'm starting to get like little chunks of the mascara like at the ends of my lashes, and also as I'm doing the lower lash line, like in the center there's like little chunks. I don't know if that is the magnetic kind of formula that they have going on, but it is a little bit messy. You just have to keep brushing it to kind of get rid of the little clumps, but that's just a downside that I'm noticing. All right, you guys, so I have the mascara on, and honestly, if I'm gonna be 100 with you guys, I am not a fan of this mascara. My lashes are super messy right now. Like, yes, there's length, yes, there's a little bit of volume, but it's very clumpy and messy and it's not smooth, and I was really having trouble to just make the lashes look clean. So they just look really messy in my opinion. I know other mascaras have done a lot better of a job to give me length and volume but not make it look so messy and chunky, and just I don't know what it is. I'm just not happy with this product, so it's unfortunately a no for me. I want to move on to brows. I'll be using my go-to Benefit Give Me Brow, and I'm just going to brush out my brows and add some color. And then I actually have a new product here as well that I will be trying. This is the Saint Luxe Brow Gel. I believe this is a clear gel, so we'll go in with this afterwards. Or should we try this first? What order should I go in? Maybe we'll use this one first actually, because we can see if, you know, it adds nice volume and how it would work on its own. So we're gonna go in with this product. This is what the brush looks like. So I'm just gonna go in and brush out my brows and clean them up. I feel like this would be great to use if you use like a pencil for your brows. This is also great for like a no makeup look, you know, if you just want to clean up your brows. So this is honestly not bad. I like how it's just kind of bringing all the hairs, you know, to one direction and just cleaning everything up. I feel like a little bit of a white cast is coming onto my brows, and that's obviously because of all the base products that I put on my face first. So there is some residue of that on the brows, but I just checked the packaging and it is clear, so it shouldn't have any sort of color. I'm putting it on my hand and yeah, it's completely clear. Just gonna take about 30 seconds to let the brow gel dry. I feel like what this is gonna do is when I go in with my Gimme Brow, it's just going to latch onto all of the clear gel that I put on, and maybe I'll have to go in with less product and this is just gonna add color. So I'm hoping that's what happens. Let's see. All right, going in with the Gimme Brow. And just like how I predicted, that is what's happening. I'm barely using my Give Me Brow, and you guys can see how full my brows got in just a couple of swipes. So yeah, this is a wonderful brow gel, the Saint Luxe one. It's great. Honestly, I really did like that. And I like that I can save on my Give Me Brow product and just use it to touch up the brows. All right, so I want to go in and contour my face. I'm going back in to the Hanalei matte bronzer, the one that we used earlier on my lids. So I'm just gonna pop this on my cheeks, and I'm also going to contour my nose. Just taking this product on a eyeshadow brush, I'm going to carve out my nose. For blush, I'll be going in to the Benefit Terra blush. This is like a golden brick red blush. This is a new release, but I've used this in the past in many of my videos. So I'm just gonna pop this on the cheeks and a little on the nose. And I'm just gonna soften it out with my brush that has a little bit of setting powder, because I don't want the blush to be so harsh. I'm also going to take a little bit of setting powder to clean up my face, and taking the brush and cleaning it up. For highlight, I'm going in to the Glowdient makeup palette. This is a highlight that I got in a boxy charm, and I've used it just a couple of times, so I thought why not bring it back and use it today. This is an absolutely beautiful highlight palette. I love the diversity on the palette as well. It's stunning. So I like to usually go in between these two shades, or maybe it was these two. Honestly, I don't remember. I've only used it just a couple of times like I mentioned, but maybe I'm gonna stick to the center shade here and maybe just touch into this one, and I'm gonna highlight my cheeks, my nose, and also my Cupid's bow. You can just see how effortlessly that highlight pops on the face. Looks beautiful. Lastly, I need to go in and do my lips. So I have 2 new products to try out with you guys. I did actually test this one in a BoxyCharm unboxing where I just put it on top of my lipstick that I was wearing that day. But I want to try this out on its own and share my thoughts with you guys. I do have another shade in the Maracuja Juicy Lips. So in terms of this product, I already know I love it, but I thought I would put it into a video where I actually use it in a look. So we'll be jumping into this momentarily. But first off, I do have some new lip liners to try. This is by Beige Beauty. This is a lip liner duo in the shade Latte and Cocoa. So they're probably kind of deeper toned shades, colors that I like, so I'm excited to try them out. So this is what they look like. You can see the colors above, and I actually also swatched it on my hand. So the top one is Latte and the bottom one is Cocoa. I think I'm gonna go in with Cocoa because it's more of a deeper brown, and that's kind of the vibe that I'm going for. So I'm just gonna go in and line my lips. Right off the bat, I will say they are very creamy. They're not tugging at my lips as you guys just saw while I applied it. Very pigmented. Wow, this might just be my new favorite lip liner. I love the shade. It's definitely my vibe. I like using like a deeper brown lip liner. It's really comfortable on the lips. Again, so creamy. I really like this. I was able to really effortlessly overdraw my lips and line them. So yeah, this is definitely a great product, and you'll definitely be seeing this again on the channel. All right, and lastly, we're going in to the Maracuja Juicy Lip by Tarte, and this is in the shade Rose. Lovely. I love how the lips are looking, you guys. My lips look really big and really nice, and I like that the darker lip liner is really pairing well with this gloss. I'm getting a nice ombre on the lips. So I would say that if you want a more pigmented finish, just pop a lipstick underneath and you're good to go. But yeah, I'm loving this look, and that's basically it for the look. I'm gonna just set my face in place once again with the Watermelon Glow Recipe Face Mist, and this is just going to kind of set everything and finish off the look. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's full face of first impressions video and makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, I've done many in the past. I'll leave a playlist up here and also down below in the description box for you guys, so you can see me testing out new products in my makeup collection and watch me kind of share my thoughts and play around with products with you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. All of the products that I used today on my face will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you have suggestions on videos you would like to see from me, make sure to comment down below and let me know, and I'll definitely try and follow up on those. And you guys, that is pretty much it. it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.